Okay, for this problem we have calculate cell potential 3Cu plus 2Al goes to make 3Cu plus 2Al. The E cell for copper is 0.34 and the E cell for aluminum is negative 1.66. Okay, to start this problem, you first need to find out what is reducing and what is oxidizing. Remember the saying Leo says Ger, lost electrons oxidized, gaining electrons reduced. Leo says Ger's or oil rig. So right here, I already got it written out, but let's solve it first. So copper, let's look at copper first. It went from +2 to 0. It went from a positive number to a neutral number. Therefore, it went back in the timeline. So it went negative, and of course, electrons have a negative charge, so it gained electrons. And remember, Leo says Ger states that gaining electrons is reduced, therefore making this the reducing, what's being reduced. So since you know what's your reduced, Al has to be your oxidizing. But remember, oxidizing is lost electrons. So let's see. It went from 0 to a positive 3. It went forward on the number line. So it lost those negative charges. So it lost electrons, it's oxidizing. So to wrap up, Cu reduced because it went back in the timeline. Number line, Al is oxidizing because it went forward. Now to find E cell, it's just cathode minus the anode. What is the cathode? Remember the acronym Red Cat NOx, reduction, cathode, anode, oxidation. We have what's being reduced and what's being oxidized, and we have the values. All we have to do is plug that into that cathode minus the anode. So E cell equals 0.34 plus 1.66, making your E cell 2 volts.